Hello everyone and welcome back to Learning with Miss V. Today we're going to talk about plural nouns. First, let's remember what a noun is. A noun is a word that represents a person, a place, a thing, an idea, or an event. There are singular nouns that name only one thing, and plural nouns that name more than one thing. And here are some examples. As you've probably noticed, to make a singular noun plural, all we need to do is add a suffix s or es. The question is, when do we add a suffix s and when do we add es? Generally, to make a singular noun plural, we simply add suffix s. But if a noun ends in sh, ch, z, x, or s, we add suffix es. Here are some examples. Having this in mind, I want you to take a look at the words on your screen and try to figure out which suffix to add to each one of them. For this, I want you to pause this video and write down your answers before we move on. And now, let's check the answers. Great work, everyone! And here's a quick review. In most cases, to make a singular noun plural, we simply need to add suffix s. But if a noun ends in sh, ch, s, z, or x, we need to add suffix es. And here's what we're going to learn next time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.